I'm just saying we can make a lot of money selling these things, especially if they can look more expensive.
Dude, we are not selling our personal family items on eBay without asking. Is nothing sacred to you?
Depends.
Hey, what's in that doll?
Dude! Let's take it home.
Stan, why is the first thing you say when you find a creepy doll on the floor, take it home?
Look at it. It looks vintage. And in solid condition. How much do you think it's worth?
Wow, Stan, thinking about a profit? Color me shocked.
How about a deal? You let me take it all home, and I'll stop asking about selling your family stuff. How's that?
Fine, deal. So how do you plan on pricing this doll, assuming we're doing it fairly?
Well, I know a guy. Well, hi, Mark.
Hey, how'd that go? Finally convinced her to sell that junk?
Well, we might have found something better.
I'll take that as a no then.
Okay, but seriously, I do think this could be worth a lot. Could you maybe, figure out its value?
Sure, man, what is it? Definitely vintage. But I'm not familiar with the model. Stanley, after months of you hounding me about antiques, I can finally say you've brought me a challenge. I'll have this sold by midnight.
Okay. Thanks, dude. We're gonna head out for a bit. We'll be back by midnight. We'll make sure to give you a cut of the profits when we sell this thing.
You better! Damn. It's hard to find anything on you. Stanley, my boy, what have you brought me?
You have no idea what he brought you.
I guarantee you he's fucking that doll. Did you see the way you're staring at it? He clearly has a fetish.
He's not fucking the doll and he doesn't have a fetish. He's an admirer of antiques and he likes to research them. God forbid the dude has a hobby.
If it's something he's so good at, why hasn't he gotten back to us yet?
Honestly, don't know. This isn't like him.
I'm not going in there. Your door smells.
Whatever. Dude, my sister thinks you're fucking the doll. Let her know that's not the case. Dude, I swear you better not be.
abscond, Stanley? Want to join him?
Oh shit! Fuck off me! Oh shit! We gotta go.
Stan, what the hell is happening?
Addie, Mark didn't fuck the dog. Dog fucked him. Figuratively, I mean.
What? Stan, what is going on? You're freaking me out more than normal. Slow down and explain.
I'm pretty sure Mark is a skeleton now. And it's alive and possessed. And it wants to murder us.
Okay. Well, I'm sure possessed dolls go for a lot these days, yeah?
Addie, I'm serious. We gotta.
We're not done yet! I want to make a blanket of your skin!
God, you did. How much do you think that'll go for on eBay?
Boom, boom, boom.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Boom, boom, boom.
Call my baby lollipop, tell you why. His kiss is sweeter than an apple pie. And when he does a shaky rock and dance, man, I haven't got a chance. I call him lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Boom, boom, boom.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, a lollipop.